Hi, hello, my dear students. Welcome to my video lecture class. Right up to now, I uploaded 8 lectures on this topic vectors. Please go through the previous lectures. So today we are going to discuss another most important topic, product of vectors. Product of vectors. So there are mainly two types of products: scalar product. This is also called as dot product. Next, vector product. This is also called as cross product. So I already explained this scalar product in previous lecture. Please go through it. So now second one, vector product or cross product. Today we are going to discuss this vector product and cross product. So what is meant by vector product and cross product? Let us consider two vectors. Let us consider two vectors a bar comma b bar. Let us consider two vectors a bar comma b bar. Then cross product of these two vectors, cross product of two vectors is denoted as a bar cross b bar. A bar cross, so we can read it as a bar cross b bar. So this a bar cross b bar is equal to, how can we indicate the formula? A bar cross b bar is equal to modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into sin theta. Modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into sin theta. So into some unit vector is there here, n cap. This is some unit vector we consider. A bar plus b bar formula is what, modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into sin theta. In case of scalar product, we discussed a bar dot b bar because it is dot product. Here cross product, a bar cross b bar. So in case of a bar cross b bar formula, mod a bar into modulus of b bar into sin theta into n cap. In dot product, modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into cos theta. So from this sin theta is equal to a bar cross b bar by modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar. So here sin theta is equal to a bar cross b bar by modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar. So this is sin theta. Here theta is angle between. Here theta is angle between a bar and b bar. So this is here cross product of two vectors. So now, I'll discuss simple example. So here some cross product values are there. So those are first torque tau is equal to r bar cross f bar, position vector. This r bar is nothing but what? Position vector. This torque is also called as angular force. This torque is also called as angular force. What is meant by angular, Whether one body is moves on a straight line, that vectors or that physical quantities are said to be linear components. Whether one body moves in a circular path, that physical quantities are called as angular component. For example, if your body moves in circular path that having certain force, that force is called angular force. It having some velocity, that velocity is called angular velocity. it having some displacement, then that displacement is called angular displacement. Whether body moves in circular path, then that it having some physical quantity, that physical quantities are called as angular components. This is angular force. Angular force or torque is equal to R bar cos F bar. So this is one of the formula example for this cross product. So next, so we'll discuss one example. After completion of this example, so we are going to be discuss so some formulas regarding these vectors. Simple problem. Example number 2. If vector a bar is equal to 2I bar plus 3j bar plus 4k bar and b bar is equal to 1I bar, that means 1 is not indicated, just I bar plus 3j bar plus 2k bar. So these are the two vectors. If vector a bar is equal to I bar plus 3j bar plus 4k bar, b bar is equal to I bar plus 3j bar plus 2k bar. Here I bar means unit vector along a bar, j bar means vector along, I bar means vector along x axis, j bar means vector along y axis, k bar means vector along z axis. Right? Find a bar cross b bar, a bar cross b bar. So first problem is here, find a bar cross b bar and angle between a and b, angle between a and b, a bar and b bar. These are the two problems in this. First one is find a bar plus b bar and second one is angle between a bar and b bar. A bar cross b bar. How to find my a bar cross b bar? A bar cross b bar. So now simple thing here. First write I, j, k. So next after that write coefficients. I cap coefficient is what ma? 2. Here j cap coefficient is what? 3. K cap coefficient is what? 4. Next, these are also called as components, coefficients and components. I cap component is 2, j bar component is 3, k bar component is 4. In B vector, I bar component is 1, j bar component is 3, k bar coefficient is 2. We write like this. First, for finding a bar cross b bar, just to write in case of determinant, this is called determinant. These two brackets we are taking is called determinant. Determinant. For finding determinant, so we got a bar cross b bar. This is called determinant. In case of mathematics, chapter matrices. So this determinant you got idea about in mathematics. So that is matrices chapter. So here I, j, k, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 2. How to find determinant? So for finding determinant, the simple logic my here. Don't panic. First of all, this is a plus, minus, plus we consider. First row we consider plus, second row we consider minus, third one we consider as plus. So first plus, first one plus na. So that's why I into plus I into. So a simple thing, we consider I means this row, horizontal row, vertical row are going to be cancelled. Horizontal row, vertical row is cancelled. What is left my here? 3, 4, 3, 2 is left. Observe carefully. Horizontal line, I where is, this is I. Horizontal line, vertical line is cancelled. What is left? This is left here. 3, 4, 3, 2. That is taken in modulus. So next row is minus j. This is plus I we consider. Plus I we consider. Next, minus j. Minus j. Horizontal row, vertical row cancel. Horizontal row. J is where? This is J. So vertical is this. Vertical line is cancelled. This horizontal line is cancelled. What is left here? 2, 4, 1, 2 is left. 2, 4, 1, 2 is left. How to find determinant? Observe carefully. It is useful in mathematics too. Mathematics also it is useful. In case of mathematics, math is a chapter. Determinants we are finding. So observe carefully. This is minus J and next plus K because this is plus sign plus K. So now vertical, horizontal. What is left here? 2, 3, 1, 3. 2, 3, 1, 3. 2, 3, 1, 3. 2, 3, 1, 3. For example, if we consider determinant A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D is there. In determinant A, B, C, D is there. How to find determinant of A, B, and C, D? AD minus BC. Determinant is equal to here we find AD minus BC. AD minus BC we got here. So similarly, we are considering I into 3 2's AD minus BC. That's same. 3 into 2, 6. Minus 4 into 3, 12. Again, minus J. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 4, 4. Plus K into 2 into 3, 6. 1 into 3, 3. Minus 3. A, B, C, D is their determinant. We apply AD minus BC. Simple logic here. So then what we got here? I into 6 minus 12 is minus 6. Minus J into 4 minus 4 is 0. Plus K into 6 minus 3 is 3. So from this minus 6 I bar minus 6 I bar plus 3 K bar. Because 0 into J, 0 we got. Minus 6 I bar plus 3 K bar. So A bar cross B bar we got. A bar cross B bar value we got. Minus 6 I bar plus 3 K bar. Why it is cross product is also called as vector product? Because we are cross product we apply. A bar and B bar we apply cross product. Final output we got vector. This minus 6ik plus 3k vector or not? That's why cross product is also called as vector product. In case of dot product we apply final output we got scalar. That's why dot product is also called as scalar product. So this is the finding A bar plus B bar. So first question answer is A bar plus B bar is equal to minus 6i cap plus 3k cap. Next second question. Find angle between A bar and B bar. How to find angle here? Angle between A bar and B bar. 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 For second one. So observe carefully here. So we know that A bar cross B bar formula is what, ma? Modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into sin theta. Sin theta. Then sin theta is equal to A bar cross B bar by modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar. Whether we applying modulus means that indicates magnitude. So now sin theta is equal to A bar cross B bar. What value we got, ma? Minus 6 I bar plus 3 K bar. Few minutes back we calculated. What answer we got? Minus 6 I bar plus 3 K bar. A bar plus B bar value. And modulus of A and modulus of B, how can you find? A bar is equal to 2 I bar plus 3 J bar. So how to find modulus of A bar? This modulus of A bar is also indicated as A. This modulus of A bar is nothing but magnitude of A. Magnitude of A. This magnitude of A is equal to square root of 2 square plus 3 square. So from this we got square root of 4 plus 9. We got root 13. Next, B bar is equal to here. B bar is equal to, observe carefully, what is A bar, ma? 2i plus 3j plus 4k, na? 3j plus 4k. So another component is also there. So 3 square plus 4 square. So So from this we got square root of 4 plus 9 plus 16 root 20 16 plus 4 20 20 plus 9 29 root 29 we got root a bar. So root a bar, magnitude of a bar we got root 29. Now b bar is equal to, what is b bar value ma? I bar plus 3j bar plus 2k bar. I bar plus 3j bar plus 2k bar. How to find this? Magnitude of b bar is equal to square root of 1 square plus 3 square plus 2 square. So this is magnitude value. So from this what we got ma? 1 plus 3 square means 9 plus 2 2's 4. So root 14 we got. Root 14 we got. So this is root 14. So from this apply here root 29 into root 14. So this is answer for this sin theta. From this sin theta, theta is equal to sin inverse of minus 6i plus 3k by root 29 into root 14. A bar cross b bar by, so this is a theta. Theta is equal to sin inverse of minus 6i plus 3k by root 29 into root 14. This is angle between a bar and b bar. How can we denote? This can be denoted like this also. A bar comma b bar. A bar comma b bar means angle between a bar and b bar. That is equal to theta is equal to sin inverse of minus 6i plus 3k by square root of 29 into root 14. This is the answer for this question. So up to now we discuss cross product of vectors, why we called cross product of vectors we discussed, and formula of cross product we discussed, and how we apply cross product concept while using determinant we discussed. So this is the about cross product. In further lectures we discuss another new concept. Thank you so much.